Hello and thanks for watching, thanks for catching up. Just a very quick update, possibly one of the shortest videos on YouTube. My underbody bracing kit did turn up. It took 4.5 months to arrive, which, you know, there's nothing I could do about that. They sold out instantly, so it is a very popular mod on this car. One thing that I did find is that after fitting it, which took 30 minutes, it wasn't as noticeable as when you do the front brace. So basically a lot of the issue with the car is coming from the front end and not the rear. But then if I'd have done the rear first, I might have noticed a similar scenario. But anyway, yeah, it's good mod. The car is now planted on the road. It's good when you go into a corner. It just fills you full of confidence. It just handles completely differently. So I'll add a couple of pictures. It's been fitted as a short little video at the end, and just watch out for the last video I'll do, which will be why, if you've come across this because you're thinking of buying a BMW M140i, as to the 10 proper reasons why you should buy one, or the best 10 things that I found about this car. So yeah, thanks, take care. Sorry.